In this video, I will show you how to check if someone has hacked your WhatsApp account and how to secure it. First, launch open the WhatsApp. Now, go to the chat section. Here, look through recent conversations and check if there is any message that you don't remember sending. If you notice unfamiliar messages, it could mean someone else has access to your account. Next, you want to open the call tab. Review your recent call history here. If you see calls you didn't make, that's another sign that your account may have been accessed by someone else. Now, check which devices are linked to your WhatsApp account. To check, you want to tap on the three dots. Here, tap on Linked Devices. Here, you'll see every device currently connected to your WhatsApp account. Carefully review the list. If you find a device you don't recognize, tap on it and select Log Out or Remove Device to immediately disconnect it from your account. Now, if you want to make your WhatsApp more secure, tap on the three dots, then go to Settings. Now tap on Account, then tap on Two-Step Verification. Go ahead and select the Turn On option, then follow the on-screen prompts by creating a 6-digit PIN. This adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent unauthorized access to your WhatsApp account. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.